Introducing the Bromic Tungsten Smart Heat Patio Heater, a sophisticated heating solution that seamlessly blends style and performance. With its sleek, contemporary design, energy-efficient features, and versatile installation options, this heater is a game-changer for both residential and commercial spaces. In this review, we'll delve deeper into its exceptional qualities, from its dual frosted infrared tube heating elements to its smart control compatibility, and discover how it can elevate your outdoor and indoor living experiences. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Sleek, contemporary styling. This heater boasts a visually appealing design with its white high-temperature ceramic coating over stainless steel construction. This combination not only enhances its durability, but also adds a touch of modern elegance to any outdoor or indoor setting. Number 2. Dual frosted infrared tube heating elements. One of the standout features of this heater is its dual frosted infrared tube heating elements. These elements emit a subtle, low-intensity glow that not only provides efficient heating, but also creates a cozy ambience, perfect for both residential and commercial installations. It adds a warm, inviting atmosphere to your space. Number 3. Versatile installation options. This heater is incredibly versatile when it comes to installation. It is well suited for use under awnings, low ceilings, and even indoors. Whether you want to heat your patio, living room, or any other space, the Bromic Tungsten Smart Heat Patio Heater has you covered. Number 4. Smart Control Compatibility. For those looking for precise heating control, this heater is compatible with switch, dimmer, or smart control systems, not included. You can easily customize the heat output to your preference, ensuring optimal comfort during any season. Number 5. Efficient heat distribution. The inclusion of a spectral reflector ensures excellent heat distribution, making sure that the warmth is evenly spread throughout the designated area. This feature not only maximizes the heater's efficiency, but also enhances its overall performance. Number 6. Expand your living space. With this heater, you can effectively expand your living space. These heaters are designed to provide a consistent flow of warmth to outdoor spaces of up to 160 square feet. This means you can enjoy your patio or outdoor area even on cooler evenings, extending the usability of your outdoor space. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 3.5 inches depth by 56 inches width by 8.5 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Stylish contemporary design. Dual frosted infrared tube heating elements. Versatile installation options. Compatible with smart control systems. 1 reason not to buy. Initial investment cost may be higher compared to some other heaters. Conclusion. The Bromic Tungsten Smart Heat Patio Heater combines style, durability, and functionality seamlessly. Its contemporary design, energy efficiency, and versatile installation options make it an excellent choice for both residential and commercial use. With the ability to create a cozy ambience while efficiently heating your space, this patio heater is a valuable addition to any outdoor or indoor area. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.